Hey guys, my name is Divakar Velgacharla and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is all about my travel series Munnar. So today I'm leaving to Munnar from my hometown. So I just packed all my luggage. See, that bag is having my clothes, and this small bag is having my Insta360 accessories, two pairs of shoe, and this bag is having my laptop, hard disk, camera, lenses, and other stuff. So yeah, I'm all packed and ready to go, but I have to take bath. So the plan for today is now I'll leave to Chennai, and I'll take rest tonight there, and tomorrow morning two of my other friends are going to join me. So tomorrow also we'll do some minor shopping in Chennai, or we'll just relax. And tomorrow evening we will be leaving to Munnar, and yeah, that's the plan for today. So I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. So I just left my home. I'm going to Chennai now. The time is 12:30 right now, so I'll be reaching Chennai by 6 o'clock because it's around 250, not 250. It might be 230 kilometers from here. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Oh my god, the roads have gone much worse in this area. This is my college area actually. This is where I did my engineering. These roads are always been like this, man. From 4 years, single road hasn't changed. They have become even much worse. So I'm about to reach my location in another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm very tired actually. It took me more than 1 hour to reach from outskirts to this place. I am very tired. So I'll just go home, meet my friend, and then sleep. So I will see you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. It's early in the morning. It's 3:45. I just got up 10 minutes ago. My other friend is almost reaching bus station, so I have to go pick him up. And this is my another friend, Ramarao. Yeah. So we both are going to Coimbatore bus station to pick him up. We got our friend Nihan. Say hi to him.
Hi.
Yeah, now we are heading to we are thinking to drink some tea. So we'll see what we'll do now. We'll update you. So yeah. Hey guys, we just had tea now, and we are planning to go to beach. It's 4:40 a.m. in the morning. We are planning for sunrise, but sunrise will be at 6:30, so we'll just chill around the beach. Yeah, so beach now. So now we are starting from Chennai to Munnar. With me, Nihant is coming.
Hi.
Ramarao is coming.
Hi guys.
Rams, you can call him Rams. So now the time is 5:10, and our plan is to start from now. Most probably we'll reach by morning because Google Maps says it's 12 hours, and considering dinner breaks, tea breaks, and stuff, maybe by morning 6 or 8 o'clock we'll be reaching there. So the route map is from currently we are in Ramapuram, Chennai. So from Ramapuram to Chengalpattu, Chengalpattu to Tirchi, Tirchi to Dindugal, Dindugal to Munnar. So yeah, let's see when we will reach. Currently we stopped at Bharat Petroleum in Alandur. We have hardly traveled like maybe 7-8 kilometers, and we filled the fuel tank full. We bought some snacks and stuff, and from here we'll start moving, and I think we won't be stopping anywhere other than dinner. Yeah, so from here Munnar is like around 600 kilometers. I am thinking to stop for dinner after like 250 kilometers or something. Now the time is 5:40. Like we spent more than half an hour here shopping, like buying snacks and stuff. So let's see. And it started to rain also, as you can see. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. Hey guys, the time is 9:30 now. As I told, we'll be stopping for dinner at 9:30, but we stopped at 8:30 only. So we had our dinner from there. Just a second. Yeah, as you can see, we had our dinner from that restaurant. We drank some tea from this shop. Now they are taking pillows and blankets for sleeping. Yeah, actually what happened was we planned to stop for dinner at 9:30, but we came at 8:30 only because there was heavy rainfall on the way. So we thought shops will get closed, might get closed, so we just stopped 1 hour ahead only. Yeah, so now the time is 9:33. We'll start from here now, and I think we won't be stopping anywhere. Maybe after 200 kilometers we'll stop for another tea break. So now Munnar is 400 kilometers from here. So we covered something like 170 or 180. Yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, right now the time is almost 12 o'clock, and we just crossed Tirchi, and Munnar is maybe like 250 from here. So yeah, we stopped for a tea break. Hey guys, yeah, so we finished our tea break, and now the time is exactly 12:15. So now from here it will take almost 5 hours to reach Munnar. So we'll be reaching by 5 o'clock, but there was a small change in plan. We thought why to reach at 5 o'clock to Munnar. It will be better if we reach by 8 o'clock. So what we are thinking is from here Dindigal is around 80 kilometers, so it will take hardly 1.5 hours. So what I am planning is we'll drive till 3 o'clock, and whatever the first petrol bunk we'll see around 3 o'clock, we'll stop there, we'll sleep there till 6 o'clock or 5:30. Then we'll start from there. Then it might take 2 hours to reach to Munnar, so that we'll reach by 8 o'clock. So that's our plan till now. So let's see. Hi guys, now the time is 4:15. So as I told, we were about to reach some petrol station by 2:30 or 3 and take some rest till 6 o'clock, but then we saw a beautiful mountain on the way and I couldn't stop shooting. So we spent more than an hour shooting pictures there. Then we didn't come to petrol station, we came to this Kadal tea shop. Here we drank some tea. Now it's 4 o'clock. I'm very tired, I'm sleepy, so I'll sleep here till 6 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock I'll get up, I'll fresh up again, I'll drink tea from this shop only, and then I'll go to Munnar. So Munnar is like 60 or 70 kilometers from here, so we'll be leaving at 6 o'clock. For now, good night. Hey guys, good morning. Now the time is 6:45. So I slept at 4:30 and I got up at around 5:30 or 5:45. Then I took a small walk here and there. I drank coffee from this same tea shop. Then yeah, now we will be moving from here. Yeah, so now next stop is Munnar. So I'm so excited, and I think Munnar is around Entara Debbaya. Yeah, from here Munnar is around 70 kilometers and it's completely hill road. I think we'll get best views on the way. Yeah, so let's wait and watch. Hey guys, we stopped at this place on the way to Munnar. This small waterfall, and we thought of washing our faces, getting fresh up with this water. So we're gonna take that water bottle, fill some water in this, wash our faces, and then we'll go. Hey guys, on the way to Munnar, we have come to this location called Hanging Bridge. We saw a beautiful lake, and there was a hanging bridge on top of that lake. So now we are trekking down to that hanging bridge. So let's follow us. Hey guys, so we have done visiting Hanging Bridge. So it was very nice, very smooth, very beautiful atmosphere, and no one was around here. No one, literally just the three of us. We just had a blast and we shot lots of videos. We had so much fun. Now we are heading back to our car. Then now the time is 11:30, so probably we'll go for lunch, and we have to go for camping. So like from here it will take around 3 hours to go to our camping site, so we don't have much time left to see anything else. So lunch and then camping. I'll see you guys later.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, okay. So I got 3 leech bites. Nihant got 1. Okatega Nico.
Yeah.
Nihant has got 1 leech bite. I got 3 leech bites.